Across every industry, delivering products that meet the demands of a competitive market with better performance and quality is a constant race against time. Understanding how each decision will affect requirements such as cost, performance, and reliability is critical and often cannot wait for physical test results. The multidisciplinary optimization engineer role will help organizations understand their designs and the impact of trade-offs across the complete range of operating scenarios to identify the optimal design and make better informed decisions. Each discipline has requirements that need to be satisfied and often conflict with each other. Design exploration makes it possible to study hundreds or thousands of alternatives and evaluate the relationships between parameters and their influence on performance objectives. Trends of the design space can be visually examined to gain comprehensive insight. Assessing the performance across multiple disciplines at the same time lets design teams perform trade-offs across conflicting objectives to make the best decisions for the product. Hundreds of alternatives can be narrowed down to a handful of top-performing options for further evaluation. Recommendations, likes, and comments can be shared with others in the organization, encouraging seamless collaboration between departments, whether they're on-premise or on the cloud, to select the optimal design, resulting in intelligent decision-making. SIMULIA's multidisciplinary optimization engineer role, available on-premise and on cloud, enables organizations to innovate faster with confidence.